and enough water to cover the spaghetti and heat it at 8. For how long, Mom?
For 20 minutes.
20 minutes. Cut this much spring onions, this much pepper, and this much other pepper. Here's the amount of carrots you need, which you get from the bag that looks like this, and the lettuce.
Cabbage.
The cabbage, it looks like this. This is how much cabbage. Put 4 squares of this spaghetti.
Yeah.
Put in 3 tablespoons of oil. Spice.
Garlic.
And some garlic, 4 cubes. Mix. After 5 minutes, add in the green pepper
Carrot.
and carrots. Stir.
Keep stirring. That's the main part.
Make sure the heat is on high.
Yeah.
Okay. Dump the spaghetti in the sink and put some cold water on it. 5 minutes of stirring, add in the cabbage. Turn the heat down a bit. Put in this Szechuan sauce, but if you don't have this, then you can always put in tomato ketchup
And sriracha.
and sriracha sauce.
4 tablespoons.
4 tablespoons of soy sauce. 2 tablespoons. Put in a half teaspoon of pepper. Add in the spaghetti. Spin. Add in some pepper. This much salt.
One teaspoon. Teaspoon, huh? Not table.
Okay.
Onion grill. Ariya, next time. Spring onion. Garnish it.